Hi, this is Karen, and I'm a fellow member at Reformation, and I'm going to show you very quickly how you can, without any cost to you, donate to Reformation when you shop on Amazon. Now, it's a different kind of Amazon. It's called Smile. So you type in just smile .amazon, and you see it filling up in the top here. And if you look right below it, it says HTTPS. That's because when you just type this in this search button, this is Firefox, you might have a different browser. It will fill it in automatically. If it doesn't fill in it automatically, you have to type in the HTTPS. Or you can just go into Google and go smile.amazon. See how it clicked up right there? And then go that way. So there's tons of ways that you can do it. You need to log in, and if you haven't logged in, see how it says hello Karen, that's my name. And so if you haven't logged in yet, you do have to log in. You'll see like deliver to Karen, and so this is my account, so I was showing you how to do it. Now the first thing you do is you hover your mouse, here's my little hand, right? See my little hand? And go over the your account. See that? And then you go down your account to, oh, let's just say your account. Again. So that's the first click that we've made, and now you see this your account page. All you do is you scroll down. See where it says other programs? Change your Amazon Smile charity. So you click on that. Now it wants you to do UNICEF and only gives you these. But we can put Reformation in. So down here it says or pick your own charitable organization. If you don't see it, like it's too short, maybe you don't have your window open and it's here, you can still just scroll down by using the cursor over there, or by grabbing the bottom of your screen, pulling down. All right, and then you just type in our church, Reformation. Now you see that I've already started typing it in, and it's even the capitals there, so you don't have to worry about that. So you can either finish typing it in. Now I purposely showed you that it doesn't matter what's cap and what's not at this time. Then you do search. Now you have bunches and bunches of Reformation churches. So what you do is you look here and you scroll down till you see the one in media. Now I read fairly fast, so you can go slower, and there it is. Media. Now you select it, and now it says your current charity is Reformation Lutheran Church. Alrighty? And it tells you how much you're putting in and how much you've generated. There's your current charity, and how much they've all charities have been received by Smile. Now this does not cost you anything. Amazon Smile does it. Now this is, you see that it says Smile here. One more thing is I want you to know this is not the same as Amazon.com. There's no it looks exactly the same, but there is no charity on without the smile in it. Alrighty, I hope that helps.